family. Today we are going to make fat cake or mikate or magwinya. This is our ingredients. We have the flour. We're using self-raising 500 gram. We have full cream milk. We have 2 eggs. This is baking powder, and this is the yeast. We have also sugar. You take your flour, you put in the basin. You put in the basin. You just take small yeast, not too much because it's a self-raising, just small. And also the baking powder, very small. You take the 2 eggs, you put sugar, depends on how you like it, sweet or not too sweet. You take now the milk, you put the quantity of milk, fresh milk, and then you take water, we add water. Now you start mixing together. Start mixing. You can use your hand to mix or a stick. You add again water. It must not be soft or hard, but you just control the balance. Adding again milk. And the quantity of water, just a bit. You mix together, you mix. You mix. As you can see, you have to beat it nicely to become very soft and smooth. A lemon. I clean my lemon. We just use the lemon zest. You grate it. You grate it. is ready, you put oil. When the oil is hot, now I use my hand. You have a water. Every time you want to put your hand in the water, it will be easy. And then you start putting in the oil. See the shape. This one is ready. When you see that it's brownish or gold, and then you remove it. See how goldish it is. Here we are. Enjoy your fat cake. Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, enjoy it, see how it looks like. Thank you for watching. Bye.